Howdy, folks. Welcome to our channel. Let's talk breakfast, y'all. Tired of skipping the most important meal of the day? I've got 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that'll take you just 5 minutes to whip up. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need something good to get you going. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking, you hear? First up, a classic smoothie bowl with a Ramsay twist. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie bowl, it's packed with flavors and nutrients to kickstart your day. Start with some Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein. Greek yogurt not only adds a creamy texture, but also gives you a good dose of probiotics for gut health. Toss in some fresh fruit like berries and a banana to make it creamy. Berries are rich in antioxidants, while bananas add natural sweetness and potassium. Maybe a handful of spinach if you're feeling healthy. Spinach is a great way to sneak in some greens without compromising on taste. Blend it all up until it's nice and smooth. Make sure everything is well combined to get that perfect silky consistency. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, chia seeds, and more fresh berries. These toppings add a delightful crunch and extra nutrients. Boom! A breakfast fit for a king right here in Houston. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious start to your day and feel energized and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Next, avocado toast, Ramsay style. Take some whole wheat bread and toast it up real nice. Mash a ripe avocado, sprinkle on some salt and pepper, and spread it on the toast. Fry an egg just the way you like it and put it right on top. A dash of chili flakes adds a little kick. Avocado toast that's fancy enough for a fancy restaurant. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Perfect when you're in a hurry. This delightful combination is not only quick to prepare, but also packed with nutrients. It's an ideal breakfast or snack option that keeps you energized throughout the day. Grab some Greek yogurt and drizzle some real honey on top. The sweetness of the honey perfectly complements the tanginess of the yogurt, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that is simply irresistible. Sprinkle on some chopped nuts. Toast them first for extra flavor. The crunchiness of the nuts adds a delightful texture, making each bite a satisfying experience. You can use almonds, walnuts, or any nuts you prefer. Add some fresh fruit, a pinch of cinnamon, or a drizzle of nut butter if you're feeling fancy. Fresh fruits like berries or bananas add a burst of freshness, while cinnamon and nut butter bring in warmth and richness. Simple, but oh so good. So many ways to make it your own. Experiment with different toppings and find your favorite combination. Whether you like it sweet, nutty, or fruity, Greek yogurt with honey and nuts is a versatile dish that never disappoints. Overnight oats, the breakfast of champions, y'all. In a jar, put some oats in your favorite milk. Add some chia seeds for fiber and protein. Give it a stir and stick it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with fruit, honey, or maple syrup, and some nuts. It's like dessert for breakfast, but good for you. Veggie omelet packed with protein. This delicious and nutritious breakfast option is perfect for those looking to start their day with a healthy boost. Not only is it rich in protein, but it's also loaded with vitamins and minerals from fresh vegetables. Begin by whisking some fresh eggs in a bowl. Add a splash of milk to make the omelet extra fluffy, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. The milk helps to create a light and airy texture, making each bite delightful. Next, sauté a mix of your favorite vegetables. Onions, bell peppers, and spinach are a great combination. Cook them in a bit of olive oil until they are tender and fragrant. This not only adds flavor, but also ensures you get a good dose of fiber and antioxidants. Pour the egg mixture into a hot pan and let it cook on medium heat. Be patient and allow the eggs to set almost completely before adding the vegetables. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Once the eggs are nearly set, place the sautéed vegetables on one half of the omelet. Carefully fold the other half over the veggies and let it cook for another minute or 2. This ensures that the omelet is cooked through and the flavors meld together beautifully. Serve your veggie omelet hot and enjoy a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. It's a simple yet delicious way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet and start your day on a healthy note. There you have it, folks. 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your morning. No more excuses for skipping breakfast ever again. These recipes are tasty, good for you, and Ramsay approved. Until next time, happy cooking, y'all. Enjoy your mornings. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.